Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own crypto mining lab website using Lab PHP script. So let me give you the overview of this website. So this is the website that we are gonna create using that PHP script. You can see how amazing this website is. You can see its animated landing page, and here you can click on start mining and it will redirect you to the page where you can register your account and start mining your start mining. So you can see explore many other options. You can see how much I earn, how mining lab works, create account, choose your plan, start mining, and get mining output. So here is the about section of this page. You can see here are frequent asked question, subscribe to our newsletter, transaction log, our services section, and choose your plan. So this is a section where you can choose your plan, whatever plan you want. And here is the blog section. You can also add blogs to your website. And here is our special features. You can see all the features. And this is the footer section of the website. So now it has many other pages like about page, mining page. You can check them. I will click on about page and it will redirect me to the about section. So mining plans, it will redirect me to the mining page. So you can see all these pages, and when I click on contact page, it will redirect me to the contact section. So you can see all the details about the website here. Now I will come back to home page, and you can also register to website by clicking this option, this button, and you can, if you have already registered account, you can directly log in to your account on the website. So this is a general overview of the website. Now let me give you the overview of the admin panel. So let's open the admin panel of this website and see how it looks like. And so here is the admin panel of my website, and I will just click on I am not a robot, fill the captcha, and just log in. Click on login. So our captcha has been approved, and now I will click on just remember me and logged in. So it will take me to the admin panel. So this is the amazing admin panel for this MineLab crypto mining website, MineLab. So you can see all your data details here. You can also see graphs of returned amount last month, transaction records, and you can see how amazing this website and rearranged this admin panel is. You can also go to the miner, and you can see all those people who are mining on your website. Here are mining plans. You can create them and edit them. Here are options. You can edit the mining plans. You can track mining. You can manage different users. Here you can see active user, banned user, email unverified, etc. Here are some payment gateways that are embedded in the website. There are automatic payment gateways, and you can see all the automatic payment gateways. And here are manual. You can also add manual gateway to the website. So here are payment options. You can see all the pending payments. You can see all the pending payments, approved payments, successful payments, and many more. And you can see withdrawals, reports, subscribers, general setting of the website. From general setting, basically you can change the site title, currency, and some other things, time, etc. So in referral, you can see there are different options. Referral setting, you can see referrals here. From here you can change the logo of the website. You can insert your own logo here. So you can also manage SEO of website. It will give you a SEO manager option here. From here you can manage site settings. And the amazing thing about this website is that it is given with your different templates. So you are given with two templates. One is dark mode and one is basic. When you go to select this dark mode, it will convert website to this template. So you can also use this template, or you can use basic template. So you can see all the other options. So here are manage pages. You can manage different pages. Here is home page, blog page. You can edit them and delete them and create new pages you like. So here manage section. You can manage different sections of websites such as about section, blog section, and many more different sections that are on your website. Basically you can change the control structure control complete structure of website in a way you want. So this is the general view of the admin panel of this website. So let me clear you that to create this website you must need a Lab PHP script. This is a Codecanyon PHP script that you need to create this website. So let me take you to the other website. So this is the Codecanyon website. You can see the script price is $79, and it is for 1 year, and after that you have to extend it with $27. So if you don't want to spend this much money and you need this script for lifetime, you can contact me on a number that is given on a screen. So I will provide you this script for lifetime and on a very low price. So you don't need to worry about the script. So you can see it's 427 sales and it's recently updated version. So you can also explore some other features of this website. So all the features are given here. So this is a quick overview of the website. Now let's start building this website using PHP script. So I am going to host this script over localhost, and you can also host it on your hosting server. The installation process of the script will remain the same. So if you're hosting it on localhost, go to your XAMPP server and turn on Apache and MySQL. In my case, they are already turned on. So go to your PHP script. So here is our PHP script of Lab crypto mining. I will just copy the script and go to the folder where your XAMPP is installed. So my XAMPP is installed in C drive. So here is my XAMPP. Go to XAMPP folder, go to htdocs and paste your script here. Now what you have to do is you have to right click over it and just extract the script. So it will take some time to extract. So here you can see our script has been extracted successfully. This is our script. Now what you have to do is you have to copy the name of script and go to the Chrome browser or the browser you are using. So type localhost and put this name between those forward slashes, those two forward slashes, and it will redirect you to the website. Now you have to enter, also type install here, and you can see Visor Lab installer window appears, and you can now install this script. So click on I agree. Next step, you have to fulfill all the requirements of the script, and here in my case all the requirements are completed, and go to click on next step, and here you have to create the database for the website. Now go to localhost php my admin and create the database. Now go to database and create database. So I will create the database with name Lab. So I will click on create and database has been created. Now I have to create the user. Go to privileges, add user account and add the user. So I will add the user with the same name as that of database. Click on localhost and type password. Retype the password and scroll down below. Click on check all and click on go button, and it will create the user of the website. Now database has been created and user has also been successfully created. Go back to easy installer by Visor Lab and enter database credentials. So my database name is Lab. Here my host is localhost. My user is also Lab, and password is also Lab. So go here, you have to enter the admin credentials. Enter your admin username, admin password and admin email. Click on install now and it will install your script. So you can see your system has been installed successfully, valid license, and please delete the install folder. You have to go to your folder of Lab and here you have to delete this folder install. Now go back to your Chrome browser and click on go to your website and activate. So you can see our website has been created successfully. This website that I demonstrate you before, you can see this is the website and it has been created successfully. Now let's change the theme of website to admin panel. So I will go to admin panel and show you the other dark theme of the website. So So here I have to enter the admin credentials. So username is admin and password is also the admin. So click on login button and it will open the admin panel of your website. Now this is the brand new admin panel of our newly created website. You can see all the things. So here I am going to change the template of the website, and so I will select the dark mode. So it will convert my website to dark mode. You can see now let's go to our website and recheck it how it looks. So I will go to my website and now you will see our website is converted to dark theme. You can see how amazing and great this dark theme is. You can directly click on start mining to start it. So you can see complete theme of website has been changed now, and how amazing it is looking in dark theme. So this is the general overview of the website. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create, I showed you how you create this amazing MindLab website. And if you like the video, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need PHP script you can contact me and I will provide you the script. Thank you very much.